Alright guys, so our next run is up against an Infiniti Q50. We'll see, man. This can go either way. This first gen B58. It's a red 340. It's to the right. That's my next run. Is there anything I should know?
Only one way to find out, man.
What's good, gang? German Muscle coming at you all from the track. I told y'all in the last video that we bringing drag races to the channel. We out here at the drag strip, and as you all know, the M550 just got tuned a couple weeks back, and we finna put it to the test. There's some really fast rides out here, guys. I mean, some of these cars are built like that. So lots of competition to face, but it's all good. We're gonna run a few races to see how many victories we can get. Hope you all are having a good day. I know you all are excited about this. So if you're into this type of content, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up, because we got many more vlogs like this on the way. Anyway, guys, I've talked long enough, so let's get into the video. It's fast, man. Hey, for your shit to be stock, you fast, bro.
Bro?
Yeah.
I just got the catted downpipe, that's it. Yeah, I need to go catless.
Yeah, man.
No, it's a good run, man.
All right, guys, so our next run is up against an Infiniti Q50. Definitely his tune. He's actually running a race box. So we'll see, man. This can go either way. Good shit, good shit. Damn. That was a good run, man. Shoot, that was a good run.
I kept doing this shit. I was trying to keep my car cool with how hot it is over here.
Yeah. You still on the same tires as last time or the Mickeys?
I killed the Mickeys. Them shits is done.
Okay.
I'm on, but like, but yes, I'm on the same tires as last time.
I got you. Yeah, okay.
The very first time I brought them here, I was still breaking them in. That was like my first time using them, trying to break them in.
I got you. Yeah, okay. That's all right. You good off the line too, man. Like I was like, oh dang. Yeah.
Wheels and tires, in my opinion.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Are you? Yeah, because you're on the radials, right?
These are like basically, these aren't like same radios as Mickey, but like these are more radios where like you can actually drive them around.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Radios, but these are radios that you can actually drive around.
These are the Nittles 555 R2s. Yeah, okay. Them things are good.
You can actually drive around on. Like they're them type of radios, so you can actually, you know, fuck around. Let's say, drive to the mall on them or some shit.
Yeah. Okay. I like racing people who are faster than me.
That's what makes it fun.
Yeah, exactly.
It's something that's how I work. I race with, especially like my boy.
Yeah.
I raced him, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm try and do this and that with 93, and then they beat him. I'm like, oh shit, what up? And then I was finally good enough to race him. This motherfucker on a big single now, so I was like, I had to race his G80 instead, and that worked out for me. But
yeah, man.
Fuck that shit. Yeah. I ain't racing that shit on the road.
You done for the night?
If I get some gas.
Okay,
like,
bet.
I'll be trying to squeeze in one more before I get some gas.
All right, cool.
Don't feel good.
Sounds good. All right. Okay. Y'all heard that right? Look, them radials, I'm gonna tell you, them radials hit different. I'm on street tires. He's using 555 R2, so y'all already know how them radials work. They get you off the line. I don't know, guys. What y'all think? Should I switch to those? Mind you, the car's not even at full power yet, because number one, the downpipes ain't in. Number two, we're not on the race fuel. But I did that on purpose. I didn't want to run the race fuel yet because I kind of want to see how the car runs on stage 193. But I mean, hey, we're just going to continue to get faster every visit. And yeah, those are the moves, guys. All right, man, it's a lot of people out here. I can't even find a space. Yo, them 555 R2 something else, man.
How much they beat you by?
It looks like a car, I guess.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
So I'll have to look at the clip, but yeah, I figure he still win because I'm not as good off the line as I am on the road, because that's where the power is. Look, I'm gonna run that 340 and then I'm gonna race you next.
I don't know if he is gonna fucking you trying to do a roll?
It don't matter to me.
40 roll. Try to get that bitch up to like 40 when we do a roll.
40? Okay, if I do a roll, I should be all right.
That should be fun.
Yeah.
I really see what the joint did.
All right, guys, so this first gen B58, it's a red 340, it's to the right. That's my next run. They finna do a roll. He don't race just anyone, so he must be quick. We about to see what he talking about.
If we get back from the bar, I'm down to do the road jump.
Bet.
You about to do the big cross?
Yeah. Is there anything I should know?
Nah.
About this dude?
I don't know what's under that jump for real.
Oh, dang.
We'll see though.
We'll see.
Only one way to find out, man.
You right about
my
that.
Favorite slogan right now. They be like, you think you gonna get got? I say, only way to find out. I wonder how much PSI this bitch running. I wonder. Jeez, M550. So that's aftermarket?
Yeah.
Could I get that in my car?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, you can.
Shit, send me a link to that bitch.
Yeah, man.
You got the link?
Yeah, I mean, it's on Amazon. It's the Wolf. Nah, I had someone install it for me down in Charlotte.
That shit's
it's
sweet
the
as fuck.
Wolfbox G900, I think. Yeah.
I'll be back.
All right.
Y'all can line up.
Looks like a stale. Either that or he had me by inches. Good run. Good run.
Good run, my man.
I couldn't tell who won, man. I think you might have had it by inches.
I think I might have had it like this.
Yeah.
About that.
Good
But
run.
Good run.
Damn. Yeah, man.
Fast, bro.
No, your shit fast. Yeah, first hand. You can't go wrong with those B58s. Honestly, it's either a stale or he might have had it by inches.
I couldn't tell, but it looked like y'all was like
we were neck and neck
the whole time.
Yeah, that shit fast, bro.
Run,
like, yeah, that was a good run.
My son built that one. He built a 335 too. That car had some issues, so he couldn't bring it out to me.
Yeah, but that red first gen, I had to take that serious.
Yeah, it'd be a lot quicker, but the tires he got on there.
I'm on, the Pilot Sport 4S. I like them because they safe.
Yeah.
You know, that's the thing.
That's what I got on his M5.
Like, that's the best tires for daily driving. I can, for real, if you try to go sideways, they'll stay straight. Yeah. But, no, I'm excited because I'm not even done building my car, bro.
Yeah.
Like, I just really came out here to see how the Stage 1 was going to do.
The downpipes wake it up to me. The downpipes wake them up the most.
From the, especially from the dig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think out of all the BMWs me and my son modded, I think downpipes and the tune wake the car up the most. You can do intake and exhaust.
Yeah, because I did the Remus exhaust, I did the front mount intakes, I just haven't put the downpipes in.
Gotcha.
I'm excited about it because when I put those in, man, shoot, it's gonna be something. I feel that, bro. Like, yeah, I think he got me by inches though. I really do, but I mean, he was running. Yeah, but I'm excited to race him again next month when I go Stage 2.
Oh man, that's gonna be. You got to have his game. You got to.
Yeah, man. Hey, we'll see how that turns out.
I told him, I was like, dude, get a tire on that car, man. You can't have. I don't know what he's running on the car, but I was like, you need something way.
Oh, he on the street tires.
It's like a weird setup that he's got, and I was like, that's why the car spins so much when you leave. Like, granted, it helps out because he doesn't break axles.
Right.
But I was like, you're gonna be racing, especially y'all racing for money and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You need to
Oh yeah, I don't race for money. Takes the fun out of it.
They do that stuff.
Yeah, I look at it like this. I'll let YouTube pay me.
I agree.
At least if I lose, I still get paid.
Yeah.
You feel me?
I don't blame you at all.
Yes, sir, bro.
I'm out of
Because
that
it just takes the fun out of it, man. When you start putting bread on the line, it
That's when
really,
the
you know,
arguments
all the drama. You know, that's not what I came for.
Yeah.
I just come out here, have fun. This is my way of relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we locked in, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I'm gonna definitely catch up with you. I'm
Okay.
about to get on the road now.
definitely. Take care. All right, guys, so we got a total of 3 runs in. Very good races, very exciting night, but it looks like they finna shut it down for the evening. So if you liked what you had seen tonight, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next upload. Peace.